welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of Lego Friends Birthday Party set 41111 from 2016 to 2017, and as you can see, this is the full build. Unfortunately, the one hamster is not available for review. As you can see, get this beautiful yellow bicycle, and the bicycle has coaches on for the birthday present, and the character you get with this set is Stephanie, and also you get this mailbox. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.